Erdogan marked Turkish rescue's 151st anniversary. Israel rounds up 18 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Palestine slams Israeli attack on Nablus security headquarters. Israel court rejects church appeal on settler land sale. 300,000 Syrians take refuge near Turkish border. No alternatives to Al-Sisi in Egypt's ruling military. Yemen says eschewed by UN on Hudaydah deal. UN Security Council extends Libya weapons ban. At least 95 killed in suspected ethnic Mali attack. Germany, 3 mosques suffer assault in 2 days. Taliban welcome release of inmates by Afghan government. Pakistan, ex-President Zardari remanded in graft case.